Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy and share Twitch profile link. So right here I'm on the Twitch app and I'm logged into my account, and right here at the top right corner, as you can see, I have this option where it says create. So if I'm going to tap on that option right here, it is going to switch to creator mode, and right here you should be able to see the stream manager option. So if you're going to tap on that, this page will show up and you have right here the share stream option. And if you tap on that share stream option right here, as you can see, the top of the page, you can see the link to your Twitch profile, which you can copy, or if you want, you can share this to any of the apps that you have installed, maybe WhatsApp, Messenger, or whatever. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.